Question number 11 is, the figure shows graph of a linear function y is equal to fx. Okay, so it's a line, and as you can see, there is no mark on x-axis, neither on the y-axis, just a simple straight line. If the slope of the line is -2, okay, it's given slope of the line is equal to -2, and other information is f of 3 is equal to 4. F of 3 is equal to 4, and what is the graph? Y is equal to fx. Y, f of x is equal to y. I can also write it like this. Now we have to use this information and find the equation of this line, or we have to find the value of the b. What is this? Y-intercept. Now let's start from, as the linear equation is y is equal to mx plus b, we know the value of m, which is -2, minus 2x plus b. So how to calculate the value of b? Now f of 3 is equal to 4 is going to help me. How? Let's compare. F of x is equal to y. So f of 3 is equal to 4. This shows that 3 and 4, when x is 3 and y is 4, that is the solution of the equation. That means 3, 4 satisfies the line. So I can use this information and plug in the values of x and y over here. Y is 4 and x is 3. If a value is satisfying the equation, that means I can just substitute this in the given equation, plus b. So 4 is equal to -6 plus b. Now we need to find the value of b. So by adding 6 on both sides, this 6 will be cancelled, is equal to b. So b is equal to 10. So what is our question? What is the value of b? So value of b is 10. That means y-intercept is 10, and these are the coordinates of y-intercept, right?